Welcome to my channel. My name is Resi, and on here it's all about baking and creating. Today I'm baking one of my all-time favorite Christmas cookies. Angel Eyes they're called, in German Engelsaugen. It's little nutty cookies with a jammy center, and they are just incredible. Join me. Our ingredients for the angel eyes are 200 gram butter, 2 egg yolk, 100 gram sugar. I mixed in 1 sachet of vanilla sugar plus extra vanilla pods, which makes it really, really lovely. A pinch of salt, 300 grams of flour. We will sieve it through before we put it in. It has to go through the sieve. And then 80 grams of ground hazelnuts, slightly toasted. Quickly mixing. So once the butter and eggs and sugar are mixed, you put through the flour, through the sieve. Followed by your toasted hazelnuts. The dough is now already mixed. We are putting this either in the fridge or outside covered with cling film for at least 2 hours, so it is nice and cold, and then we use it to form our angel eye cookies. The dough has cooled and we're now making the angel eye shapes. I do it by simply rolling little balls, making them flat, and then using the end of a spoon to create this. So like this you go along. So the oven is preheating at 200 degrees while I'm making these. And it's important that they're all the same thickness and the same diameter, otherwise, yes, it becomes uneven. Tray number 1 is now going into the oven. As I mentioned, it's running at 200 degrees and baking is for approximately 15 minutes, depending on your oven, 20, but usually 15 should do it. First tray is ready. You let this cool off, and then once it's cool, we heat up the jam and fill the little holes with raspberry jam. Heating up the jam. I'm using raspberry jam. You could use any other jam, to be honest. And now we're carefully putting a bit of jam onto each cookie. So once the cookies are all filled with the jam, let them cool off, and you can either leave them as they are, leave them overnight, that this jam becomes solid, and then the next day put powdered sugar on them if you want. They are already very sweet like this as they are. I prefer them without sugar on top of it, but it looks a bit nicer with the sugar on. The beautiful end result is this: Engelsaugen, angel eyes, either without sugar on top or dusted with a bit of sugar. Both very nice. I will definitely try one now. No video is complete without a taste test, of course. I will try these. So good. Really, really good. So nice that I don't want to give them away, actually. Try this recipe. If you enjoyed this video, you should check out this one as well, where I have more Christmas cookies baking. Thanks for watching. Bye.